Got a report of a noisy boiler, but it's not firing right now, so I'm gonna actually make it go higher. See, the dial is right about 130, so I'll put that back, but we're going to turn it up temporarily. Many of these tank stats, you would need a little flathead screwdriver to turn up or down temperature. This one's on. So far, no banging. I have to turn it on high enough for both of them to turn on. Got a call for heat. Firing as well. Good idea to catch these and call these in for service before it causes any damage or does any further damages. See the drip tube shaking. They're both running, not firing. I have to turn it up quite a bit more just to figure it out. It has not started, and I got reports that it's been happening throughout the day. While it's possible it's worked its way through, it's not likely. I hear like little clicking, but not the extreme banging. So here are the little bits of clicking. Also can see the drip tube shaking. Fogged up the camera because the deal's running. Hear little bits of clicking. Of course, it's not gonna do it right now. Okay, there it goes. It's this one right here. Wanted to leave it enough to show you. So for now, I can turn this one off and then leave this one for a couple minutes to keep going. This one should quiet down now that it's turned off. And what we want is for this one to fire. That was weird. I only turned this one off, but this one stopped firing. That doesn't bode well. Making me think that they're hooked up together, because I've got this thing turned way up. I'm going to turn it up even more, and it clicked. There we go. That's good. So I'm going to leave this one on for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, to make sure it's not banging just like this one. That way when I call it in, I'm going to call in for service. I don't necessarily want them to do the boiler bundle treatment on both of them if I don't need to. If it's just this one that's banging, I want to know that so that just this one gets serviced. They got to take apart the tube bundle and drill the tube bundle, and it's kind of an expensive process, and it also risks damaging the tube bundle. So this one seems to be nice and quiet. The other thing is, well, I say that and then it just clicks. But it's also raining a little bit. I think we're okay on this one. You know, again, call in service for this one, and that'll be that. I don't want them to drill it more often than, yeah, then you wind up causing damage itself, as the drilling process is kind of aggressive on the wheel. So, all right. So with this, since I turned up the heat, I'm going to make sure, turn it back down to the 129-ish that this was at. I have hydronic heating units, so my units are set slightly higher than normally you'd set them about 124. But with hydronic heating, you need a little bit more boost. So that turned off. This boiler will turn off now that we've reset that, and then I'll call in for service on this guy. All right. Girl, or whatever, on the spoiler. Wave pack, Delta.